Hey, dudes. Hey, what's up, little dudes? This is Juno. What's up, Juno?
Sup, bro?
All right. And Tony. What's up, Tony? Hey, what's up? How you doing, bro? Juno. That's Juno. Hey, buddy. How's it going? Juno. Damn, those eyes, though. Those eyes. And then this is fucking Tony. Tony Soprano. Frankie. 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 I just bought a new laser at the Dollar Tree. I'm gonna test it out on the cats and see how they react. Hey, buddies. Hey, buddies. Laser time. No, that's the light. Freaking light. Zzz. Ay, cabrón. Es su puta madre. Fuck, man. Oh, fucking shit, man. Zzz. 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 Ah, fuck, man. Oh, where'd it go? Where'd it go? Oh, there it is. Fucking cats, man. Hey. They're like, where the fuck did it go? Where is it? There it is. Mr. Frankie's here with me right now. Frankie. Hey, Frankie boy. Frankie boy. Hey, man, I love you. buddy. How's it going, buddy?
He fucking hates you.
He loves me. Hi, buddy. Hey, buddy. You okay? Aw, he's stretching. Aw. Hey, buddy. I'm gonna see if Frankie can catch these goldfish in the air. You ready, buddy? No, set. Ready? I'm gonna throw it, okay? 1, 2. Okay, that's a no. Almost. Here. 1, 2. Buddy, catch him. Yeah, he caught that one. Here he goes. 1, 2. Almost. Alright, man. This is the last one you're getting. You better catch it. Nah, you fucked up. That's it. Mom. Mom, what's happening?
I don't know what's happening, Nana.
I don't know.
That's not.
Oh shit, you see that?
I fucking missed it.
Missed it?
Probably more up.
Oh, I got it.
Fuck.
That's it. I'm done.